Extroverted can't make friends. Pray for better days. Now it's 300K when my day ends. Do you remember last night? Cause I blacked out. In that all white dress with a back out. Said be careful with a heart cause it's fragile. Thinking about a past, make a lash out. See with me, it ain't no worries at all. Any problem, I'll be there in one call. If you locked in, you my dog. Finna you hang pictures on my wall.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? Hello, Up Next family, man. We are back again, and today we're looking at another phenomenon in the space. Obviously, when it comes to trading, there's a lot of different strategies that you can utilize to maximize your profits daily, weekly, or even monthly, depending on how you guys like to do your trades. But today we're looking at how you can actually determine the underpriced cryptocurrencies in the market so that we can really get a look at them, compare the cryptos to Bitcoin, to the different currencies, and see what is a good entry point and what is a good price point for us to start getting active and playing around with some of these tokens. So let's jump into it. And also on top of that, I got you guys one of the hottest platforms in the space right now. You know, we already looked at them on Up Next Crypto, so stay tuned. There's a big video coming in this video, so stay tuned. We're going to jump into all of this deep dive. And I love you boys. Let's get right into it. All right, so here we are. And one thing that we really have to look at is how to compare cryptos with Bitcoin. So for example, let's look at how we can actually determine the powerful altcoins that are on the market right now. The first thing that we need to do is look at the first major pullback. We're going to be determining how long it took for a certain cryptocurrency to recover back to its major price. And for example, here, Monero, we're looking at Monero. It took about 22 days to recover 81%. And we're going to be, look, from 20 days in May. And then we're going to be looking at Bitcoin for the same time frame right here. And the recovery during this time period in 22 days was only 21% in a bearish trend. All right. If a cryptocurrency is recovering this rapidly in a bearish trend, and if you guys look at this, it's about 50%. And if you look at Bitcoin, the decrease from the top right here, it's going to be more than that. So even if you can find any cryptocurrency just like this that can outperform the major ones, like outperforming Bitcoin, outperforming Ethereum, outperforming the top coins in the space right now, there's some serious potential. Same thing as we can see right here. If we're in a bad time, for example, the beginning of May, and then we see some performance right here, we see a shift, and then everything else is performing poorly, and then we're seeing performance here. We're gonna say right here, there's going to be some potential in this trade right here. So you really got to look out for specific cryptocurrencies and specific altcoins that's going to be performing in this. See how they act based on major currencies. Really Bitcoin, Ethereum, comparing it to those price shifts. So if any of these charts, for example, is looking different than what we've been seeing right here, that has to be an indication that we can actually look for something different right here. We're seeing some representative recovery, a constant fall coming right after it. And if some cryptos are showing strengths like this right here, look at this circle. These cryptos have real potential in the space right here. How we can actually get in now at this point is going to be our next question. And look, we're going to cover so much more on these topics and entry points and how you guys can get in there. But this is really a good indication for you guys, beginners especially, or guys that have been even seasoned traders. This is a really good indication that we can look at of how you can compare the different altcoins and the different price movements to the major currencies. I'm telling you, that is a huge factor in you guys winning most of your trades. And new trades right now that you're getting into is being able to identify the two and differentiate and compare with the top currencies and be able to make your trades in that sense. Now, without any further ado, man, I told you guys at the beginning of the video, we're looking at one of the craziest platforms, and that is the CAT platform, the CAT, largest crypto exchange in the freaking world, man, the decentralized platform for the community. Let's get into it. We did a crazy video on these guys, man. Check these guys out. They're absolute beauties. Huge shout out to Timothy, and we'll jump right into it, man. Let's go. Boys, here we are on the CAT platform, the crypto arbitrage platform. And right off the bat, we're going to see a few things. One thing that stands out to me right away as soon as I get onto this website is obviously that 0.1 BNB minimum investment, which is such a light investment for you guys to get your portfolio started with. You've got daily withdrawals, and I'm going to show you guys a full rundown of how the withdrawals are done. We actually got to test it and run it and see how it works, and you can get up to 5% daily ROI, which is absolutely insane numbers, guys. Daily ROI of 5% can add up and compound absolutely immensely, especially if you continue hodling. Now, you know, the crypto volume in arbitrage on the market is astronomical numbers, as you guys can see right here. But the BRICS countries is basically the geographical focus of the cat trading strategy, which includes, you know, Brazil, India, China, some of the biggest names in this space. And you can start earning right here. And how the cat platform actually works is that you actually provide the cat liquidity for arbitrage transactions through the smart contract that they have set up. And then the cat team takes part in the crypto arbitrage itself, targeting the BRICS regions with the 8 to 10% daily yield. And then the platform automatically pays the client from the 2 to 5% of liquidity provided, and the client can actually save, reinvest, or withdraw the accrued funds for the realization of their dream. So look, arbitrage is huge. Arbitrage has been in the space since day one of when I got into the space. You know, and that's since 2015. People have been doing arbitrage. So it's a huge strategy for you guys to utilize yourselves to make crypto profits in the space. And it actually utilizes the price differences between identical cryptocurrencies, different assets and different markets with different pairs of cryptos in the same market to generate profits with a relatively low risk. So basically what that means, and what arbitrage is altogether, is literally buying big name coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana, some of the biggest names in this space, on one marketplace for a cheaper price, and then taking that same currency to another marketplace where it's listed for a higher price and making that profit margin in between. So to say, an example is if I buy one Bitcoin for $20,000, for example, on one platform, on one exchange, I go to find out that Bitcoin is actually selling for $21,000, for example, or $22,000 on a Japanese exchange, then I'm going to go take that Bitcoin that I had just purchased for 20 grand and go sell it for 21, 22, or 23 grand and make that profit in between. And this is what these guys do on a large scale. We've seen some of the biggest names in the crypto space come up off of, you know, the arbitrage flex. And why you should actually join these guys is they're giving out over 1,800% yearly ROI. That is a very unique number because of their unique trading strategies and generating the high returns in the short possible time with our arbitrage bundles that they actually provide. Is going to result in high return percentages for the clients. It's just the only way that this thing can go. It's got a very easy start with Cat's arbitrage system. It's automatically going to put your money to work right away and start earning you guys, and all you need to do is deposit your funds and kick back. It's one of those set it and forget it type of flexes, which is absolutely insane, and the money is there. The Cat community generates very high liquidity that's going to allow you guys to start with a minimum amount and increase it on later. You've got absolute speed with automated system guarantees. You got really fast rewards. Transactions are, you know, near instant. Withdrawals are instant, and you can actually invite your friends and partners and start earning that way as well. But the profit calculator right here, the bare minimum to invest is 0.1 BNB, and say we were supposed to put in 0.1 BNB and we hold it in for 1 day. The profit percentage in that 1 day is 2%, but say, you know, we held it for 365 days, a whole year. Look at what we're looking at. We're looking at over 730% ROI, which is absolutely insane. And then this is what your total balance would be. And if you were to reinvest your balances, all right, every single time that they keep getting in there, look at the number, man. You're looking at over 137,000%. So it is absolutely incredible. Now, say we wanted to be big boys and we went in with, you know, I'll be realistic, 49 BNB. Again, look at these astronomical numbers. So you can calculate whatever your budget is. Don't ever go above your budget. Whatever your budget is, calculate with that. They've got an easy calculator for you so you can see what your earnings are potentially going to be and you can decide from there what you want your flex to look like. And how you can actually join right now with the platform is just by connecting your MetaMask wallet or Wallet Connect. Very, very simple. Choosing how much you want to deposit and literally sit back and start watching the profits grow. Clicking on start now is taking you guys to the Connect wallet side of things. This is where you connect your wallet, and then once you do, you are able to see all of the breakdowns of your bonuses, your investing periods, how much you guys want to get involved with. These guys have absolutely everybody covered. This is the most valuable and quickly exhaustible resource in life, and this is a time to use it. Using modified arbitrage bundles and trading strategies, Cat is actually generating the highest earnings in the shortest possible time frames, which is absolutely insane, giving you guys opportunity to make money with the arbitrage windows that there's available to you guys right now. And these guys are making it really, really, really easy. It is literally the only industry in the entire world that is stably and actually legally allowing you guys to get from 7 to 9% profits daily. All right, that's that's insane numbers, and you know, I don't really see anyone else doing that in the space. Now, if you guys want to check them out on Telegram, they do have a Telegram channel, tons and tons of members in there, over 8,000 people in there right now. So you know they're lit, you know they're popping, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. Obviously, they're on YouTube. The Discord is coming very soon as well. But if you guys want to start earning, put the fears away, put everything else away, and start learning and start getting involved and getting active. And even if it's a small amount, like these guys are giving you the opportunity to start getting involved with 0.1 BNB. That just goes to show that they're literally open arms to everybody in the space, and they want to work with you guys regardless of anything. So huge shout out to these guys, man. Cat platform and the crypto arbitrage team is absolutely killing the space right now, and literally arbitrage is one of my top favorite ways to earn a crypto passive income. Now guys, if you enjoyed the video, as always, smash the thumbs up button, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. You see the boys out here, man. Up next, Danny. I will see you guys on the next episode. Leave a comment down below what you think about the crypto space, and I'll talk to you guys next time. I'm out for now. Peace.